Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Right here in front of you is the EMG Barrett Fieldcraft Airsoft Precision Sniper Bolt Action Top Gas version. Just look at these lines, and especially these incredibly sharp laser engraved markings. I have to say, it's just perfect. In today's video, I'm going to give you a full detailed review of this rifle. And for the most important part that I know many of you have been waiting for, I'll be providing a complete step-by-step disassembly and reassembly guide so you can confidently clean and upgrade this beauty at home. Alright, first step to detach the body is simple. Just take out the 3 main Allen screws located on the underside. After that, you'll need to remove the screw on the top rail of the receiver, as well as the screw right where it connects to the barrel. This part here is a spacer shim. Its job is to stabilize the cylinder, keeping it perfectly aligned with the chamber. When installing the barrel, you must ensure these gas inlet ports are positioned correctly. Next, we will move on to the quick removal of the bolt cylinder assembly. This is the EMG Featherweight Zero Trigger Unit, featuring an ultralight 1.2 pound trigger pull. And here is the nozzle, marked with a T for the top gas version, which we will disassemble right now. This little piece here is the gas or CO2 fill valve. Now, something really important to know is that it's tiny, and you absolutely cannot find a replacement for it anywhere online. So, be super careful with this, and make sure you don't lose it. Alright, this whole unit is the gas cylinder assembly. Inside, you have the spring set, the striker piston, and the part that holds the gas. Here's how it works. When you pull the bolt back, it compresses this spring. Then, when you fire, that piston shoots forward, hits the gas unit, and forces the gas into the nozzle. What's interesting is that these 2 sections are kept in place and separated by a metal tube running through the inside. The nozzle assembly is easy to open up if you need to do maintenance or want to upgrade it with something like the APS brass high-speed 600 frames per second CO2 air nozzle. For this video though, I'm just going to do some basic maintenance and use some Teflon tape to improve the air seal. Alright, now that I've sealed it up, I'm going to fill it with gas and do a separate test on just this gas nozzle assembly. Okay, now that I've confirmed we have a good seal and no gas is leaking, I'll start putting the whole rifle back together. But here's a really important tip. When you're inserting the nozzle assembly, you actually need to take the valve out first. Once the assembly is inside the cylinder, then you can put the valve back in. Here's a little trick to make sure the spacer shim lines up perfectly with the gas inlet on the cylinder. I just stick an Allen key through the holes to keep everything from moving while I screw the barrel back onto the receiver. And there you have it. That's the complete disassembly and reassembly of the EMG Barrett Fieldcraft Sniper Top Gas version. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.